Hello? Today we will explore FoodMaster settings and how you can set them up without much hassle. Let's explore some settings. Here you can enter your license. These are older tweaks that previously existed in FoodMaster. You can see many settings here, such as extraction management. You can easily export or import all your extra options. You can also set your delivery and pickup hours here. The same applies to dine-in hours. You can also view statistics. You can filter them by selecting the order type you want to analyze, such as delivery, pickup, or dine-in. You can also choose the source, online only, POS only, or all sources. Here you can see your best sellers. Now let's configure some settings. Go to Order Types. You can enable delivery if you want to accept delivery orders. The same applies to pickup and dine-in. Here you can also select the default order type. If you only offer pickup, you can configure it accordingly. I will re-enable all order types. If you offer dine-in and want to enable QR table ordering, go to QR table ordering. Then go to Tables. Here we have configured all the tables, and you can print all QR codes with a single button. Let me try that again directly from the browser. Here we are. These QR codes represent specific table links. When a customer scans one, a new window opens. It is assigned to a specific table, and the dine-in option is pre-selected. Other order types cannot be selected to avoid confusion. Let's close it. Now let's go to Advanced Settings and see how the KDS system works. Here are all the orders. This is very useful for any kitchen. Under Advanced Settings, you can export or import all your settings. This includes products, extra options, and any configuration you have created in FoodMaster. The Force Disable option allows you to temporarily disable delivery, pickup, or dine-in. This is very useful during busy hours at the restaurant. Under Distance Restrictions, you can define delivery limitations. You can set the delivery cost based on distance or use a fixed fee. Accept or Decline Orders allows live order acceptance and lets you provide an estimated delivery or pickup time. Under Holidays, you can configure the days when the restaurant will be closed. On the front end, users will see a message such as, "We are closed for vacation." I added a single date for today. Let's check how it appears on the front end. Here it is. Let me deactivate it now.